When building with TiKA, most of the times we start with a base and build stick by stick to reach our final design. But with Bob, the best way I found to build is to pre-assemble some of its parts, and it is easier for me to show you how to build it like this. This will be its legs, this will be its head, and this will offer its stability and backbone, so to speak. So let's see how each part is built. The first pre-built element will be the legs for Bob. It's very simple. It's two number 5 sticks in the back, which will be the back legs, and two number 4, one with wire, one without wire in the front, and one basic stick, number 1 stick with wire between the two legs. And these will be Bob's legs. The next element is the spine cord, so to speak. It's made of two number 3 sticks and one number 2 stick. One of the number 3 sticks is with wire, and of course the number 2 stick is with wire. The final element, the final element is the most complex. It is the head of Bob. What we have here is two number 3 sticks in the back here. Of course, two LEDs in the front. 3 number 1 sticks, out of which none is with wire, and one number 4 stick running to the front, and that will conduct electricity for the two LEDs. So this is the head. So now that each part has been assembled, we can start building Bob. But first, before we start assembly, what we need to make sure is that in front we have the positive and the negative, and not the neutral side of the base. What we can see is the best way to find that out is that TiKA symbol in the front is there, and it will show you that the electric parts are on that side as well. Now that we're sure we know which direction to build, we start adding the holes for the base. Next, we'll put the legs with the number 4 sticks in front and the number 5 sticks in back. So number 5 and number 4. This is a bit unstable, so next we will add the spine cord, so to speak, keeping attention that the wire stick is opposite the wire stick on the leg. So that's 1, that's 2, and this will offer stability. This will not let it move. And as a final step, I think this is better view for you. For the final step, we'll just put the head right on the top of the legs and finish by connecting the spine to the head. And it's working. Of course, if we mixed up electrics, we can change the sticks anytime, but pre-assembly is something that really helps in this example and many others you will find. So, I hope you liked it. I'll put this a little bit more closer. Please check out other designs that we're building. We'll be uploading videos of possible builds and how to build them with TiKA continuously, and hope to see you next time.